My boyfriend told me not to go off buying things because if you didn't know, we're going to Italy. I don't think I've actually said that on my channel, but we're going to Italy in literally 24 hours. We booked this trip very last minute. It was kind of chaotic, and my boyfriend, the first thing he said to me after we booked this was, don't buy too many things, don't splurge, and your girl doesn't listen. So this is everything that I bought, and I figured I would show you guys a haul because I'm just so excited. Maybe, you know, it'll help you guys if you guys are going to Europe or have an Italy trip planned as well. So this is what I'm going to be bringing, and don't worry, I will also have a pack with me and then a lot of Italy content once we are there. First item is a little bit of a splurge, but I've had my eye on this for so long. This is the Baze, the on-the-go essentials case. This is what it looks like. It says let's go, and then it says we've arrived, and it comes with a cute little travel mirror, which is very handy to have at the hotel rooms in case I want to do like get ready with me's, and then I can just look at that while I'm doing my makeup. It's a nice size, and I feel like it'll be great to fit all my skincare and makeup, so I needed to buy that. It's a bit of a splurge, but I will say though, it is good quality and their customer service is actually really good. Not gonna lie, I actually got two of these, which this is the second one. The first one arrived a little bit like damaged. It had a little scratch on it, and then also like dirt was inside like the seam. It couldn't get taken out of it. So I messaged them, and honestly they let me keep that one and then sent over another brand new one. This is the one that is in perfect condition, and then I went and I showed my mom and I told her everything that happened in case she wanted it, and honestly the little scratches and things that were defective with that one didn't bother her, so she is keeping that. They are also going on a vacation the same day my boyfriend and I are going to a different destination, and so she's gonna bring that with her. Let's do some gadgets and then I'll show you the clothes. So gadget wise, Amazon is going to be your best friend. They have so many things, and I do actually have like 2 or 3 more things on the way. I'll put them in the screen later. The one thing that I am so excited and happy that I got is actually this tripod for your phone. I'm 5'4", and this expands higher than me, so what you have to do is just push this button, and as you can see the legs kind of go out, and then this starts popping up, and then you just keep going. And this is great for if you take your own photos while on vacation. Look at how wide that is. And so it's very sturdy, very nice. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna hit my ceiling if I do this, but I absolutely love this. I had a smaller version, which I might also bring the smaller version. I got it on Amazon as well, but this was only like $35, and you can adjust to whatever height you want. Also not very heavy, so it's nice to just pop in your backpack. If you have a Lululemon Align belt bag, it won't fit in there, but the other one that I have does fit in there. It's like smaller than this, half the size, but it also goes up like half of the length, which is not the best for angle wise. I wanted something more like this, so this is perfect. But if you have like a mini backpack, it will fit in there. It's very compact. It also has a remote to take pictures. This is how I love setting up taking a picture with my boyfriend. I used to be shy about it until we went to Vegas, and I was like, you know what, you're right. My boyfriend tells me all the time, you're never gonna see these people, so just do it. We're gonna get good pictures, etc, etc. And I was like, you know what, yeah, let's just do it. So we set up the tripod for our phone, and then I did have a tripod for my camera, so when it was our turn to take pictures by the Las Vegas sign, I had everything set up. Didn't have to ask anybody, didn't have to tell anybody what angles. We set it up, we saw exactly how we wanted it, and then we just went there and we took the picture. So it turned out amazing. I absolutely loved it. And funny enough, the girl that was in front of us had turned around to ask us to take a picture of them, her and her boyfriend, and then when she saw our setup, she was like, that is the smartest thing. I'm gonna go and buy that. Like, next time we need to do that as well. So ever since that moment, I've been like so comfortable now, I don't care. Also saw these, which honestly I'm gonna be on my phone so much taking Instagram videos and reels and just content for you guys and for myself as memories, so had to pick these ones up. These are power bank, which I just randomly saw one day. So this is for my phone. I got 2 of them for a Samsung, and then one is for iPhone, which will be for my boyfriend. These are actually so good. I saw mixed reviews on people not liking them because of what they look like or not working with a case, but for me personally, it works phenomenal with my phone. This is what it looks like, and again, I think it was like $30. That's how it looks. It does make your phone a little bit heavier, but if you have this case, honestly, this is the best case ever to just hold it like that, and then it literally will just start charging your phone. My phone right now is at 23%, and according to this, it'll be an hour and 27 until full. It's not a fast charger, so don't expect that, but it is amazing. Like an hour and 27 minutes, for instance, we have a train ride to like Florence, so for that entire time on the way back, maybe if my phone is dead, pop it in. By the time we're there, my phone is fully charged, or while I'm like on the train, I can edit photos and do things, so my phone is charging while I'm doing that. So highly suggest this as well. Also a must, a staple, if you are in Canada, you need a travel adapter. I picked up this little 2-pack. I need all of these for myself, honestly, for like my phone, my camera, my extra batteries, hair straightener, hair curler. I needed this, so I picked up a 2-pack. Has multiple entries. Obviously, do not fill all of them just for safety. I won't be filling them all, but I got to. My boyfriend is not going to use all the plugs on his, so definitely going to steal some space from him. Also picked up a Lululemon roll-up travel toiletries little kit. This is what it looks like. New arrival. Very cute for just washroom essentials, shower essentials. Then you can just hang it up in the bathroom. Memory card, because I just love having raw footage of stuff. I have raw footage from Banff. I think I have my Barcelona one as well somewhere, and then Victoria and all of that. I love having the raw footage, so I do get a memory card for every place that we visit, Las Vegas as well. Moving on, Shoppers Drug Mart, my local drugstore. Didn't buy too many things because apparently the Italian pharmacies are amazing, especially for skincare, so I'm so excited for that. Little things that I picked up. Band-aids. Will not be bringing this massive box, but I will be bringing some in like a little first aid kit in case we get a cut or our shoes start hurting, anything like that. I would always recommend taking band-aids. I even have them in like my gym bag. Picked up some of these disinfectant wipes, you know, for plane rides and everything. You just need that. A little toothpaste. I got the Crest 3D wipe. Should be enough. My boyfriend and I are going to be using this both for 9 days, and then I just plan to leave it there because I don't need to bring it back. Got a travel size deodorant. This was like the only one that they had. It smells fine, so whatever. Last 2 items. Got some cream, even though I probably could get cream there, and I don't actually know if this is the right size. It looks pretty big to me, but I'm gonna try. If they take it away, they take it away. But I'm gonna be wearing dresses and skirts and cute little outfits, so I need to make sure my legs and my arms and everything is always just creamed up. Got some hand sanitizer as well. I forgot to mention 2 things that I am waiting to arrive from Amazon are 2 handheld like little fans, because it's supposed to be very hot, and if we're gonna do a lot of walking, we just have those like cute little handheld fans with us. And then also face masks. You still need to wear face masks for pretty much everything when you're inside, which we didn't know, so I last minute had to pick up face masks because we're not going to be allowed anywhere without them, so picked up a pack of that. Clothing wise, I did pick up a couple other things if you've seen like my little hauls here and there, but I did pick up some little clothing, which I surprisingly went to Dynamite. I usually don't shop at Dynamite or Garage, but I just saw some pieces and I was like, I need to try these out. First up, this is a little outside my comfort zone with the like yellowy mustard color. Like in Italy, I just want to wear like fun colors and stuff like that, not really like blacks. I think I'm only bringing like 1 black outfit. It's like a midi kind of maxi dress. This is the front, has nice thin adjustable straps, and then the back has this really cute subtle detail, which I like. I love backs that are like this, that are open back, that are fun. I love it to be plain at the front and then just have a nice design at the back. Next up, I showed you guys this, but I am so obsessed with this. It is the cutest little like romper dress. And again, love the back detail, and I also love the front detail and sleeve detail. Wish it was a little bit longer because we are going to the Vatican. I had to pick out a completely like shoulder covered, knee covered outfit for that, so you'll have to see which outfit I think I'm gonna wear there. And last but not least, I picked this up from Dynamite. It was $59.95. I will have the links for this in the description if you guys want to check them out. I would have loved the sleeves if they were closed at the wrist a lot more than just being like super wide and open like this, but the dress itself, very flowy, also very lightweight, very nice. Love the material. It's like a refreshing material. That is everything that I have purchased that's like accessories and gadget kind of wise. Comment down below if you think I'm missing anything, because this video is going up on Monday and then I'm actually leaving tomorrow, so there's still time for me to like potentially Amazon Prime something or pack something or take something out, etc, etc. So let me know, am I missing anything or am I good to go? Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Also give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!